Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. So today is going to be large canvas day and I'm going to go all green with a dash of gold. You know how much I love my greens. So it's based on a creation that I did before, which was an all blue creation, and this is the piece. So I did 3 different tones on the base and then I blew out a Dutch pour on the creation. This was a piece that I absolutely fell in love with. So today I'm going to go all green and I've done a test palette. This is the palette that I'm going to use. I'm going to list all the colours in the description. I'm going to have a lot of fun and I hope you'll join me too. So let's see what we can create. Okay guys, so this is what we call here in the UK an A1 size. I'm not sure if that's the same universally, so it's approximately 84 centimetres by 60 centimetres. So I'm going to lay the base on first, and I'm going to go with a triple base colour again, so all greens on the base. They're all opaque. I'm using opaque because I want to cover the base of the canvas, and then if I use transparent colours on top, that's totally okay. As you can see, I've painted the sides of my canvas. That's just to ensure that all those gaps will be covered and I don't have to do too much touching up afterwards. So let's start. I think I'm going to start here. All my paints are with paint and water. So I'm just going to spread that out with a palette knife. Section. A little bit more paint here because it's a larger section. Okay, so they're my base colours and I think that gives a really good contrast with the tones throughout. You'll see that I've left some gaps here. That was my guide. That's where I'm gonna lay the paints and then blow out. As you can see, I've got quite a lot of air bubbles already, so I'm gonna just torch those. I'm now gonna layer the colours. And then I'm going to put a bit more here so I can flood the colours. This one here. A little bit of green there. Okay, and a torch. Okay, here's the fun part. Okay, so wet version look. I'm struggling to get it all on screen, but I'm going to take you in for a closer look now, and you can see some of those gorgeous details. And that gold has kind of created some cells. It's popping up everywhere. The turquoise that I used, although it was green turquoise, you can see on camera it's got a hint of blue, and actually I quite like that. I love this section up here. Some of that bright green. Like this detail just here, look at this. It's all the way across. Okay. So, as always, I'm going to let this dry, and I will take you in for a close-up. Fingers crossed it dries well, guys. And here's the dried version. Oh my goodness, I don't know if I say this every time, but this is definitely one of my favourite pieces. And all greens, a little bit of blue, and that dash of gold really makes this a favourite for me. I'd love to hear what you think, guys. Please drop me some comments below, and thank you so much for your support and for watching, and I hope you have a great week. Take care. Bye.